Hey, this is CJ the Traveling Man. We have a request, and yes, it's going to be the one and only Popeyes sandwich. Yes, the one and only Popeyes sandwich. I'm going to try it out. I want to see what it tastes like because we're going to try Popeyes and we're going to also try Chick-fil-A's. We decided to stop in and try this out. And like I said, this is a pretty big sandwich. So, and it's got some sauce on it. Pretty hot and fresh. And they made it fresh for me, directly for CJ, the Traveling Man. So I just thought I'd let you know we're going to try this out. And I want you to, what's your feedback? Because I have heard it's a little spicy and it has a little kick to it. So we're going to take a little bite in this, and I want y'all to let me know what you think and my reaction to it. And I'll also give you my review. So we're going to go ahead and try this out. I can taste a little bit of the spiciness. I can taste the pickle. And this is what I'm talking about. Woo! I feel that little burn. So yeah, this is pretty good. I can give you 10 stars, Popeye. This is great. This is actually a pretty good sandwich. So, hashtag Popeyes. I actually do like the sandwich. I know it came out November 1st, and it was also told that they sold out as well back in, I think it was the end of September, somewhere mid-October, or first week of October, they sold out. So you definitely got to go get one. This is actually a great tasting sandwich. And like I said, it's got a little spice to it. So if you're not a spicy eating person, you might want to go just probably for the regular. But this is great. This is this is real good. That's what I'm talking about. And for the viewer request, yes, get it. If you got a Popeyes near you, go out there, get it. I swear, go out and get it. This is good. It is so good. I can sit here and eat this, and I know I'd like to share it, but this is a review and me trying it out, and also a request. So yeah, get one. I'm starting to feel that spicy burning a little bit. It's not like ghost pepper hot, but it's got some little hotness to it. Yeah. My nose is running a little bit. Woo. So, like I said, definitely, we are liking this. I got a little hot. Whoa. It's got a little hotness to it. So definitely get one. Yeah, my nose is running, so that's the spice kicking in. And I need something to drink. Woo! Yes. Yes. And that was the last piece. There ain't no more. But remember, you gotta try the Popeyes sandwich. Definitely get out and try it. CJ the Traveling Man, letting you know that was an actually great tasting sandwich. Thank you, Popeyes. And thank you for bringing it back. And let the world try this. This is definitely good. It's got that little spiciness to it, like I was saying. So if you're really not deeply into a lot of spice and you don't like hot stuff, just get the regular. That's all I say, is just go for the regular. I love hot food, so it makes me feel good. So this is CJ the Traveling Man. If you got any comments or anything you suggest, put it in the comments below. Let me know. Because like I said, we're going to be heading to Chick-fil-A next. So I'm going to tell you who's at level 1 or level 2. So like I said, this is CJ the Traveling Man, getting ready to sign out. But I want to thank everyone for taking the time just to watch this little quick video. And the review of eating Popeyes spicy chicken. Make sure you tune in next week so you can see the next video. And I know I don't have my shirt on, so like I said, other than that, like I said, check it out. Tune in next week. It's the CJ the Traveling Man signing out. Peace.